Welcome everyone to the opening event of the 2014 Law Union Conference. And we've got some fantastic speakers lined up for you today. However, tonight is only the beginning. Tomorrow we've got a full slate of really interesting and provocative panels and workshops. So pick up a program, they're going to be outside, have a look, and I'd like to invite you all to join us here tomorrow starting at 9 a.m. And now, before we get started, I'd like to turn the stage over to Elder Laureen, who's going to open the event for us.
I've been given tobacco today to do your opening for you, and I've placed two bowls up here on this chair. One contains tobacco and one contains sage. That tobacco, if anybody wants to come and take some of it and hold that for today and let that medicine work for you, and also that sage, which is a women's medicine, I've brought as well, so that if anybody wants some of that, they can come and take that from here. I just want to make sure that everybody's mindful today that the teachings that we follow are those of being gentle and kind and respectful to each other. So when we're sitting here today and listening to the speakers speak and the conversations that will take place, to keep in mind that we're doing these things in a good and kind, gentle way, and that we treat each other to that same effect, so that our words will be spoken from our hearts, but done with kindness. Today's society that we live in, there's too much violence. There's too much talk being done towards each other that's not done in a good way. And none of us benefit from that. It doesn't help support us, it helps tear us apart. And so I want to bring that to everyone's attention today, that if we can treat each other in a kind and gentle way with respect, regardless of our idealisms and our beliefs, our cultures, our nations, the territories which we're from. We don't have to agree with everyone. However, we should be respectful and kind to each other, because we each believe that our opinions and our views are correct for what we know, to the best interest and the best ability that we have. So it's not in our way to tell anybody that their ideas or their viewpoints are wrong, because in turn they can turn back to us and say the same thing. So we would accomplish nothing in that way. And unfortunately, that's the way that a lot of us live today, in the city of Toronto, that we're not treating each other kind and gentle. And throughout the rest of Canada, each of us, suffers every day from things that are said to us and actions and other people's thoughts that are trying to be imposed on us. So be mindful of that today as we gather today and throughout the weekend. And I'd like to call upon those ancestors to come and sit with us today, to be here to help us do that work, to carry those teachings of love and respect and humility and bravery. Because, it is a point of being brave when we use our voice. Too many of us are silent for too long on many issues. And those that do speak today will be using that bravery that they found their voices, and they can express the thoughts and the emotions and speak about the subjects that we will hear today. So I want to give thanks to all those that will speak today, and give thanks to those ancestors for when we call them, we know they come and they sit with us, and they help us to whatever means we ask for. I'd also like to thank each and every one of you for coming today, to giving up your time and your space, being away from your family and your responsibilities, making space for this event to happen. You have put your thought into that, so thank you for doing that and coming here to hear what's going to be said this weekend. So hi to the Creator, and hi to all those ancestors, and may we treat each other as the Creator would want us to behave with love and kindness and gentleness. So be well, each and every one of you, and enjoy the rest of the this evening of what's coming for you. I hang it, which